Hi, I'm Shelly, and here's what you can expect from the AI Firelabs learning program. Our workshops take you on a practical journey into the world of artificial intelligence through hands-on lessons, creative activities, and real-world examples. The program typically runs over 6 to 12 weeks, with each session lasting around 1 to 2 hours. Every week builds your understanding step by step, from the basics of what AI is and how it works, to how machines recognize images, understand language, and even generate art and ideas. You'll take part in interactive exercises like building simple chatbots, exploring AI creativity tools, and experimenting with data to see how algorithms learn and make decisions. We also look at the ethical side of AI, fairness, bias, and privacy, helping you think critically about how technology impacts society and the workplace. Each session is guided by mentors who make complex ideas easy to grasp, with plenty of opportunities to ask questions and explore your own ideas. By the end of the program, you'll gain a clear understanding of how AI works, develop essential digital and creative skills, and earn a certificate of completion to mark your achievement. It's learning that's practical, inspiring, and designed to help you confidently explore the technology shaping our future.